A very good morning to all. Today we are going to learn a poem and the name of the poem is Open House. Now we can take page number 83 in your textbook. Before moving to the poem, you have a warm-up exercise in page number 83. So, here you can see different leaves. You can see the picture of different leaves. So, what you need to do is, you need to write down to which trees these leaves belong to. So, you can see the options given. So, you have to write to which trees these leaves belongs to. So, you need to identify. So, the first one. So, can you say it is which leaf? It is the leaf of mango tree. So, have you seen the mango leaf? So, it is the leaf of mango tree. See the second one. Have you seen these type of leaves anywhere? So, it is the leaf of peepal tree. Then, see the third one. It is the papaya leaf. Then, the fourth one. It is the leaf of grapevine. Then, the fifth one. It is the leaf of apple tree. Then, the sixth one. This could be very familiar to you, right? It is the banana leaf. So now, let's move to the poem. So the name of the poem is Open House. So this poem is written by the poet's name Alan Fisher. And this poem is a very funny poem. It's a fun poem that tells what a tree wants imagined by the poet. So this poem is about what a tree wants imagined by the poet. Poet's name Alan Fisher. So first, let's read the poem. If I were a tree, I would want to see a bird with a song on a branch of me. I would want a quick little squirrel to run up and down and around for fun. I would want the cub of a bear to call and a porcupine big and a tree toad small. I would want a katydid out of sight on one of my leaves to sing at night. And down by my roots, I would want a mouse with 6 little mouselings in her house. So this is the poem Open House. So this poem tells what a tree wants. Now let's see the explanation. If I were a tree, I would want to see a bird with a song on a branch of me. So this says that the tree wants on its branch a bird that sings song. So what the tree wants? The tree wants on its branches a bird that sings song. See the next answer. I would want a quick little squirrel to run up and down and around for fun. So have you seen a squirrel? So this tree wants a squirrel to move all around the tree to make fun. So this tree wants a squirrel to move up and down all around the tree and to have fun. The next answer. I would want the cub of a bear to call and a porcupine big and a tree toad small. So here the tree wants the cub of a bear. So cub means the young one of bear, we call it as cub. So the tree wants the bear cub, then it wants porcupine. So porcupine is an animal that has spikes on its body and it is a big animal. And also the tree wants tree toad. Tree toad means small frog that has bright colors. So what all the tree wants? The tree wants on its branches a bird that sings song. Then the tree wants a squirrel to run all around the tree and to make fun. Then the tree wants the bear cub, a porcupine and a tree toad. Let's see the next answer. I would want a katydid out of sight on one of my leaves to sing at night. So katydid is a green insect which makes noise by rubbing its wings. So the tree also wants a katydid on its leaves to sing at night. Then, and down by my roots, I would want a mouse with 6 little mouselings in her house. So the tree also wants a mouse and 6 mouselings. Mouselings, the young ones of mouse, we call it as mouselings. So the tree wants mouse and 6 mouselings to be at the foot of the tree. So this poem tells what the tree wants, which is imagined by the poet named Aline Fisher. So what all the tree wants? The tree wants bird that sings song. Then the tree wants a squirrel to move all around the tree and to make fun. Then the tree wants a katydid to sing a song at night. Then the tree wants animals like porcupine, tree toad to be around. Then the tree wants mouse and mouselings to be at the foot of the tree. So this is what the tree wants, which is imagined by the poet named Aline Fisher. So what you can do is, you can also read this poem 2 times. And the next class, we'll move to the exercise of this chapter. Till then, thank you.